Hi all. Today we will have a brief look at approaches of marketing implementation and internal marketing. Let's start. Marketing implementation is the process of executing the marketing strategy by creating specific actions that will ensure that the marketing objectives are achieved. Next, we have approaches to marketing implementation. These are command approach, change approach, consensus approach, culture approach. Let's have a brief look at these approaches. First is the command approach. This approach reflects a bias to centralized direction. It uses conventional analytical techniques to select strategic direction and organizational power to command implementation. There is a dichotomy between the planner and implementer. It makes decision making easier and reduces uncertainty as what is to be done. The disadvantages being that strategy formulators are far removed from targeted customers, and this approach often creates employee motivational problems. This approach tends to work best when the firm has a powerful leader. Second is the change approach. Here, the manager is still the key player who communicates the firm's new priorities and gets work tasks done with the required organizational changes. Culture adaptation techniques are used to bring forth the changes. The manager in charge is more of an architect and politician. There is still a dichotomy between the planning and implementation and a power at the top mentality. Third is the collaborative approach. The manager acts as a coordinator and the emphasis is on team building at a senior level in the organization. The advantages are that this approach moves some of the decision-making authority closer to the front lines. Lower level managers implementing the strategy have a better idea of the strategy formation and hence can implement it better. This involvement of the frontline managers brings in greater motivation and commitment in the employees. The barrier between the strategists and implementers still remains. This approach tends to work best in complex, uncertain, and highly unstable environments. Next is the culture approach. There is infusion of new corporate culture throughout the organization, with the manager acting as a coach. All employees participate in making decisions, and as a result, the barrier between strategists and implementers are broken down. Marketing strategy is considered a part of overall organization vision. There is a good amount of decentralization called empowerment. Implementation problems are solved at the cost of much time in consensus decision making and culture building activities. Last is the cohesive approach. Bottom up strategy formation and implementation is encouraged with adequate openness of the organization to new information being maintained. The abilities of the managers to create and implement strategies for businesses are drawn out by senior management. Now let us discuss about internal marketing. It is communication of information to employees as well as understanding customers' attitude towards company that is based on their experience. It is the process of motivating and empowering employees of the firm to work as a team. There are many types of information that are required to be shared with the staff. So it becomes important to coordinate the efforts of people of a firm. It consists of training and staff development, integration schemes, and effective communication to enhance understanding of entire marketing orientation program. Objectives of internal marketing. These are A. Committed to provide best possible treatment to customers. B. participation of employees to achieve organizational targets, and C, creating a potential to achieve long-term success. Next, we discuss the role of internal marketing. 1. It becomes important for the organization to accept changes as new systems and new working practices are being updated nowadays. It is also helpful in building corporate image by creating awareness and appreciation of company strengths and aims. C. It also helps to reduce interdepartmental conflicts that helps in maintaining internal marketing strategies. For an internal marketing program, an organization must motivate, educate, coordinate, inform, and exchange news to its employees. Thank you.